Okay, so let's take a tour of room 9340 here on Celebrity Reflection. This is going to be an interior room. Let's do it. So first, starting off to the left is going to be your temperature control. As you can see, obviously I have it all the way down, but it does feel very good in here, so you shouldn't have any issues with the control of the AC and stuff in here. And then this is going to be your bathroom. Now, as you all can see, this is a good sized bathroom. It does actually have the shower doors, so no nasty curtain like on my last cruise on Carnival. You do got your shampoo, body wash, and your shine. So you got everything that you need in there. And then also just a standard toilet and everything like that. They do have body lotion right there, and then your regular hand soap. So do not confuse that with soap, because it's going to come out, as you can see, as lotion. Either way, so we're going to keep on going. So once we step out the bathroom, to the right, they do have a little counter area. So if you want to set up a computer or something like that, it's just a little desk area. They do have the prices of the drinks and things like that. So I will show you all in a bit, but they do have a fully stocked fridge down there, or mini fridge down there. And then they have these bottles of water if you need it, and then also some chips as well. But there you go right there. Show you the prices, and there's your whole list right there as well. Now to the outlets, this is my only issue with this room. Everything else with this room is perfect. It's quiet, it's nice, it's a good room. These are the only outlets. They have 3 outlets in this room, y'all. 3. So if you didn't bring an adapter or some type of multi-port or something, you're screwed. Especially if you're with somebody else. Right here is going to be your safe. Of course, the safe is included. They also have this little thing down there as well. And then to the mini fridge. So like I said, it is fully stocked. As you all can see, they got airplane bottles, they got wine, they got beer, they got an ice maker. It's actually really nice. Not bad at all. I'm not going to use it, but it's really nice. And then of course they have counter space here as well, and doors and stuff like that. And then let's keep on scrolling. This is the bed. I'll get that in a bit. Over here is your closet. So again, this is a short cruise. We leave on Friday and come back on Monday. So it's literally a 3-night cruise. But either way, and it's just me. But either way, plenty of room in there. And then, oh, I didn't even see it. They gave me my my bathrobe. So I don't know if this is standard or not. I think it is standard. But either way, I love celebrity bathrobes, and they gave me one in here. So that's pretty cool. All right, so right here is your bed. Looks like this is a king size bed. I love how Celebrity has that point. So honestly, I can't tell if it's squeezed together to make 2 beds. It is, I can feel it. There's a dent right there. But either way, Celebrity is known for having the top linen and stuff like that. So it looks very comfortable. I can't wait to try it out. And then up here as well. So if you want to put some stuff up here, you do have storage space over your head. And then your reading lamps. There are no USBs on the side. I've already checked. So again, like I said, there's only 3 outlets in this entire room, which is devastating, to say the least. But there it is. And then last thing is just this little table right here and your chair right here as well.